Alright, this is how to zoom in and out in CapCut. Fast and easy. First, select the clip you want to magnify in the timeline by clicking on it. Then head over to the right panel where all your editing controls are located. Make sure the video tab is selected at the top of this panel. Under it, go to the basics section where you'll find several video adjustment options. This is where you'll set up your zoom effect that can really make your videos pop. Move your playhead to the frame where you want the zoom to begin and click the Transform Keyframe button to mark this point. It looks like a little diamond. This will mark the starting point for properties like zoom, position, and rotation. Now move your playhead to the frame where you want the zoom to end and add another transform keyframe by clicking that diamond button again. Then adjust the scale bar to increase the percentage and apply the zoom level you want for that dramatic effect. You can also drag the video directly in the preview window to reposition it. This lets you focus on whatever part of the frame you want to highlight. Let's preview it to see how it looks. Yep, it zooms in and aims at the sun just as intended, creating that smooth look. Now to zoom back out so your video returns to normal. Select the frame where you want the zoom out to begin and add a transform keyframe just like we did before. Then go to the frame where the zoom out should end and add another keyframe to mark the completion point. This time, lower the scale back to 100% to return to the original size so viewers can see the full frame again, and drag the frame back to the center position to reset everything properly. Let's play it back and check out the full effect. The zoom in works nicely to highlight the detail, and the zoom out brings us back smoothly to the regular view. If you want to adjust how fast or slow the zoom happens for better timing, just select the keyframe on the timeline. It shows up as a diamond on your clip. Drag it closer to or further from the other keyframe to shorten or lengthen the zoom duration, giving you complete control over the pacing. And that's it. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.